Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with NK. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the fourth exercise from CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, problem set 1. That is Math Interpreter. We're expected to create a Python file called interpreter.py that's going to get input from the user in the format XYZ, for example 1 plus 1, and return the actual mathematical operation, that is 2.0, as a float, where x here will be an integer, y an operand, and z another integer. So I tried solving this problem a number of ways, and I found a function from Python's documentation that can solve this question in just 2 lines of code. And I'm going to show you how to do this right away. So open VS Code. I'm going to create the folder extensions, interpreter, and I'm going to move into the folder interpreter. Then I will create a Python file. I'll call it interpreter.py. Okay, my file has been created for me, so I'll just close this terminal, and then I'm going to start by getting input from the user. Get input from the user. I'm going to save this in a variable I'll call response. I don't know why, just the word that came. And I'm going to use the function input, or pass a string to it, or say expression. Then I'm going to strip this input so that I can remove all leading and trailing white spaces. Then I'm going to call the function that's going to help me solve this problem in just 2 lines of code. I'll say print. It's not the print function. Or print as an f string. The function is called eval. Then I'm going to pass my response to it, and I'm going to choose my format. So I want it in one floating point, and that's it. If I run this, or save, open my terminal, or clear this, or run Python interpreter.py, then I'm going to enter 1 divided by 2, and we'll have 0.5. Let's try another thing. Let's say 2 star 2, and we have 4.0. So you see, this function works perfectly well. So the way the eval function works is very simple. It gets a string and then outputs the actual mathematical operation from that string. So I'm guessing the Python guys realize that probably people have been trying this thing and they're like, let's just look for a shorter way to do this. So that's it with the eval. If you want to go about using conditional statements, if else, and all of that, I tried that and it was quite long. Let me show you what that would look like. So what I did was, I got the input from the user. I still use strip to remove the trailing and leading white spaces. Then I used the split function to split the user's input. I converted it to an integer. I should use a float rather. And here as well, float. Then I had to print the user's output here. So it was quite a lot of code. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and had a good time. Thank you for following along with me, and see you in my next video.